Alright everybody, welcome back to another speed build. And today we have a speed build of the Mining Forex Explorer. Now, back in 2012, I actually bought all the mining sets, so I don't know, you may see some more speed builds, I don't know. But, this is a pretty decent set, but, its number is 4200, Mining Forex Explorer, and it's from 2012. It only includes one minifigure, which is lame, but, I mean, quite a few parts, but, you know, let's just get into the speed build, honestly. Build's done. Fantastic build as normal. But anyway, so got a figure, and you got a bunch of accessories. So this build took longer than I thought, but you know, whatever. I mean, I thought it was still a fantastic build. So yeah, guys, there's going to be a review on the main channel, so I don't want to go too into depth. But anyway, that's going to do it. So thanks for watching, and have a great and fantastic rest of your day.